Mush here. So, to help kick us off in summer, we're gonna make a little sailboat out of popsicle sticks. All right. So, I've got my popsicle sticks right here. I chose to paint mine ahead of time. Okay. So if you want to paint yours, you can do that as well. I decided to go with warm summer colors, and then I used the purple for the underneath part. So let's get to it. So all you're gonna need is enough popsicle sticks to cover 2 popsicle sticks like this. And all you're gonna do is we're gonna hot glue a little dot here. Okay. And a little hot glue here before I forget. And you're gonna do that until you fill it up like this. Okay, and try and make them as straight as you can. Okay, and then if you're doing a pattern like me, you take the next color. You can put a little dot on here. You can put it on the one in your hand. Okay, and you just stick it like this until you fill it up. All right, so I'm gonna assemble this part really quick. Okay, and then I'll see you on the other side. All right, we're back. Now, you see, we got the flat part of our boat right here, okay? And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the lesson, remember, we're using hot glue today. So when we use hot glue, we need a grown-up's help, or you ask for permission, okay? But it's better to have a grown-up because we don't want anyone to get burned or hurt, okay? Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take another popsicle stick, and you're gonna take the scissors, and you're gonna snip off a little bit of the end. And then you're gonna want to glue it like right in the middle like this. And it should be like split. Like it's gonna be on a little bit of the yellow right here and a little bit on the orange like that. So we can put it right in the middle as best we can. Okay, so I'm gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put it right here like that. And then I'm gonna stick it on like this. And you're gonna need to hold it for a little bit because if you don't hold it, it could fall down. And it helps to blow to cool down the hot glue, okay? And there you go. So there is my mast, okay? And then the last thing you're gonna need to do is take a piece of construction paper and just snip off a corner like this, okay? And then you can glue on a flag like that. I have one already pre-cut, okay? And you can add as many of these as you want. You can use regular glue for this, or you can use hot glue. I'm gonna stick with the hot glue. I'm just gonna put a little on right here. And then I'm gonna stick it. And there you go. There's our sailboat made of popsicle sticks. All right. So with that being said, I would love to see your sailboat. So go to MrMushMakes.com, upload a picture of it, and I would love to see what you created, what colors you used. Maybe you drew something on your flag, okay? And I would just love to see it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out, and it's really important to us. All right? All right, well, until next time, peace.